How to fix Capcut template not showing in TikTok. So hello guys, if you have been wondering about your Capcut template not showing in TikTok, so this is the right video for you. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, simply click on your profile option at the bottom corner, and from over here just click on hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply go to settings. And once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see report a problem. Just make sure before you go here, just make sure in your video you do not have this Capcut template. As you can see, it's showing to me because it's not disabled in my account. But if it's not showing in your case, so that's when you go to your settings option, and once you go to settings, scroll all the way down until you see the report a problem option. So just click on it. So once you click on the report a problem option, simply find your specific topic which is related to our video. If you can find the videos and sound option over here, simply click on this feedback and playback option over here. Simply click on playing videos and just click on other. As you cannot see any videos and sound option, and if it's not related to your topic, simply click on need more help from over here. And what you can do is just directly tell your problem to them about the Capcut by simply typing these following keywords just like that, and simply send it. And after that you can still add more details to your specific problem. And once you do that, after some time, within 24 hours, your TikTok customer team will support and contact you via your Gmail or your account as well. So that is it for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.